Hi guys, at CK we're launching our programs from this Monday. So in case you want to attend the demo lecture or join our program, just call the numbers given here. You can join us for the books, mock, shortcuts, or the complete program. Just call any of the numbers given here. Hi guys, hi everyone. Today we have with us Pothak Nuri Brahma Teja. Did I am Ahmedabad people were able to pronounce your name in the interview?
Sir, surely no, sir. They were asking me what is my nickname so that they can actually hear the interview.
Or they ask
So
you
I
that.
told them, yes, sir. So
Super.
you can all call me Teja, sir.
Teja, okay, so Teja is better, much better. Teja, first of all, how you're feeling? When I read your message, na rank into the number 1 college in India, I could feel the enthusiasm in that one line converted rank to number 1 college. Yeah, that was the wording, exact wording was you. So,
Yes.
what was going in your mind? How are you feeling when you got this result?
Sir, I was like awestruck, sir. The performance that I have done during my interview has fetched me this particular offer, I would say, and I was completely in cloud nine. I can say that I was so much excited, and even my parents were like completely emotional, and they felt blessed as well. So I completely feel that I'm the right person. I felt like this is something that I also deserved and I wanted from the right from the beginning. I dreamt of this right from the start of the CAT preparation, sir. So I felt very blessed and happy, sir. Yeah.
Wow. I've converted I'm Ahmedabad, rank 1 B school in India, and feel so high. Superb, yeah. Super. Now, this is the kind of a message. Don't need to get high because of alcohol and all the drugs and all. This is high on a different level altogether. Superb. You started a preparation almost 5 months before the exam. So I'm assuming around May, June time you started the preparation.
Yes, sir. I would say I started in July mid,
July
but
mid.
then my actual preparation I started from the August early August.
Okay, superb.
Yeah.
So this today is May. ठीक है, May almost end
Yes.
होने को आ गया. Let's say June. So anybody who's starting from June 1, if we can follow your advice, or I want your roadmap, what you did, so that if I can
Okay.
do the same thing, and there's a hope that I might get a call from I'm Ahmedabad or any of the main I'm as well.
Okay, sir.
So what is the first thing you did when you started your preparation? What was the first month look like?
So the first month I gave a different kind of questions, different set of questions from different set of sections, so that I can know that where I actually stand in order to make my preparation in the next coming days. So accordingly, after some of the introspection, I found out that I lack in some fundamentals in both the VARC as well as some of the concepts of quant. So what my first aim was to be prepared with this particular fundamentals, because no matter what the question be like, we'll be able to answer once we are clear with the fundamentals. So this is something that I figured out in the early stages of my preparation, and for the whole month, 1 month I dedicated for preparing myself for the fundamentals. So I went through different portals, different magazines, and different materials provided by different lecturers, and I figured out that I was lacking in some concepts like VA, but in particular I would say odd one out section. So I kind of noted down all the points from each of these sections where I'm lacking, and then started preparing for those individually.
Right.
Basically fundamentals for a whole month I dedicated to fundamentals, and then later came the practice part.
Okay, I want to
So
stop here.
yes, sir.
Now, this is I take a basic class now at CK. Also, we're doing the basics, and every day I get a comment from students, sir, why you are taking that easy course? They're not going to come in the CAT exam. Why to waste our time? So this is answer for that. Ki first 1 month or 2 months, you have to do the basics. Otherwise, you can't directly jump to the CAT exam. It will be too high for to start with at uh, that that level. So I think that's
Yes,
the
sir.
same thing you did.
That's absolutely true, sir.
Superb, superb. So if you're starting now, so I think mid of May we have another 15 days in May, and May and June end. So probably June end or July mid, they can complete the basics. If they are supposed they're not as smart as you, so they can complete the basic in long time. So step number 1, that can be a good idea. By July 31st, let's complete all the basics.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, superb. And then you went for the advanced level.
Yes, sir. I went for the advanced level, especially the practice part, I would say. So I picked up different sections, one section each day, I would say. So for the whole day, I prepared a lot of questions in different parts of the section. For example, if we take VA/RC, we have two subsections, which is RC and VA. So for the one whole day, I used to practice different types of RCs from different sources, so that I get used to different kind of questions, different sets of this understanding the author's perspective is the main thing, sir. So this first few weeks of the preparation in the later days, I dedicated to VARC alone, because I felt VARC is something that I wanted to improve right from the beginning, because it can be anything. It can be completely zero, or it can be completely full.
Okay, so step
Yes,
number
sir.
2
So
is identify a weak area and start
yes,
improving on a weak area.
yes, sir.
So, and the weak area, I personally feel you identify the weak area by giving the mocks. You can't guess on the basis of what you think. Like you might think this
Yes, sir.
topic is
Yes, sir. That's true. That's true. I'm coming to the next point. So in the first step during my fundamental preparation, I found out that my RCs were not good. But then after I started my preparation and started giving mocks, from a set of 5 mocks, I understood that my RCs were decent with a good enough accuracy. But then my VA was not at all good. They were completely going off way, and they were giving a lot of negative marking. So then I understood that there should be a proper mix of these two for me to have decent marks, so as to get clear the cutoff. So I then reconsidered my strategy and then focused on VA for a while, and then improved on each of the sections of VA. That is, we have the scramble sentence, and then we have odd one out. So I focused on each of these separately for few weeks, I would say, and then later I picked up those. And then later came the final strategy to attempt the whole section as well.
okay. So you never gave a full length mock in the starting.
Sir, in the first month I did not give. For the during my fundamentals I did not give. But actually, before starting the CAT preparation, I gave one mock in order to know how the
How much?
CAT
How
feels
much you
like.
scored?
Sir, it was in 40s.
40 marks. Okay.
40s. That was with respect to 360 marks, because we had a different
Okay.
pattern the other year.
Yeah. Right. Right. Right.
So like
If I
those marks,
your paper, if I pull it down to 2 hours paper, must be around 25 marks.
exactly, sir. Yeah.
Approximately, yeah. 25 marks starting to IIM Ahmedabad. Obviously, yeah, how can you learn? How can you score well without preparing? So, whomever I've talked to, they might have prepared less, but they have done the hard work, because hard work is important. You have to convert that call. So,
Yes, sir.
first month you didn't give any mock, then you started giving the mocks. That's why, yeah, this is the main fundamental problem. Why even I recommend kids don't give mocks early on, because you can't do not prepare for CAT exam. It might backfire, that you might think, "Arey, what tough hai, nahi ho payega," this and that. So what we have done at CET King, that we have launched baby mocks. Very simple, very easy level for this year student. Yeah, I don't want to
Okay.
see CAT ka paper. You first try to solve this easy paper. If you just to make you habit of sitting for 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and then gradually.
That's really so true, sir. Yeah, yeah. For the whole 2 hours, we need to maintain our cool, is what I observed. And one tip I would say that, please, like to all the aspirants, it's better to get used to that 2 hours sitting and trying to going through RCs one by one and not getting bored for 40 minutes at least. So that people, when they are actually solving for RCs for 40 minutes continuously, there is a high chance that they might get bored, and they'll have this change of thoughts and all. So I always suggest people.
Yeah. Thank you, Teja. Thank you very much for coming and talking to us. And hopefully you do well at IIM Ahmedabad as well. And hopefully I'll see you at IIM Ahmedabad, probably in August or September. I have a course coming up which I'm going to do at IIM Ahmedabad.
Oh, sure, sir. Thank you.
See you
Thank
there.
you so much, sir, for you as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
All the
actually,
best.
no, my father referred your videos initially. During my starting work experience, I was finding a little difficult in finding motivation. So he once sent me through WhatsApp your video, and I felt very joyful. I mean, it was very funny. It was very motivating. Then I started subscribing you, and then started following your videos. It really helped me, sir. So guys, just follow sir's videos, and you'll be really in a good position.
Thank
That's what I can say.
Thank you, Teja. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you,
All
sir.
the best. All the best.
Thank you.
All right, if I missed up anything or you want me to cover up anything, please let me know in the comments, and do subscribe to our channel because I'm going to upload more videos like this in the future. In case you want to join our program for books, mocks, e-classes, the numbers are given here. Call us on any of these numbers given here. All the best.